Click on the link below to get price. The Sony E10 Mirrorless Alpha APS-C Vlog Camera 2 Lens Kit is a game changer for content creators and vloggers looking for a versatile and powerful tool. This kit comes with a 16 to 50mm lens, providing an excellent range for both wide-angle shots and close-ups, making it perfect for capturing dynamic video content. One of the standout features of the E10 is its large APS-C sensor, which delivers impressive image quality, even in low-light conditions. The autofocus system is exceptionally responsive, with real-time eye autofocus and object tracking, ensuring that your subject is always in sharp focus, a critical aspect for vloggers who often film themselves. Additionally, the camera offers a range of video resolutions, including 4K at 30p, which captures stunning detail and clarity, allowing for professional-grade results without the need for bulky equipment. The design of the E10 is user-friendly, with a flip-out touchscreen that rotates 180 degrees, making it easy to frame yourself while vlogging. The onboard directional microphone provides excellent audio quality, which is a significant advantage for those who prefer not to invest in external mics initially. Furthermore, the product features a dedicated vlog mode, simplifying the process of recording, while an array of customizable buttons allows for a personalized shooting experience. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 80 minutes of continuous shooting, which is generally sufficient for most vlogging sessions. The camera's lightweight and compact design, coupled with its robust build quality, makes it an ideal companion for travel and outdoor adventures. In conclusion, the Sony E10 Mirrorless Alpha APS-C Vlog Camera 2 Lens Kit stands out for its combination of advanced features, ease of use, and impressive performance. It's an excellent choice for anyone serious about creating high-quality video content, and the inclusion of the 16 to 50mm lens enhances its versatility. Whether you're an aspiring vlogger or a seasoned professional, this camera is sure to elevate your content creation game.